welcome back. Guess what day it is? It's Boxycharm day, and unfortunately I had just filmed a whole unboxing video for Boxycharm, and when I got on my computer to edit it, my lighting was so bright that you could barely see my face. I just look like a ghost. And honestly, how can you really see the product going on my face when everything is just super bright? You can't really get a feel for it. So I'm going to restart this. I actually already threw away my Boxycharm box, but I have all the products right here with me, and I'm just gonna tell you what I think about it. I am gonna try them on again, so if you're ready, just keep on watching. Okay, so the theme for this month's box is Galaxy Glow. First off, they sent us these 3 brushes right here, which actually reminded me a lot of the Wet n Wild brushes. So obviously now they're dirty because I've already used them. If I were to hold all these together, you probably wouldn't know which one's the Wet n Wild and which one's Crown. But the only difference is that these are so much more soft than this one. You can totally feel the difference. This one is soft, but not as bunny rabbit tail soft like these 3. They are $29.99, and I'm going to try them on right here for you. So I'm gonna zoom you in just a little bit so that way you can see how these apply my bronzer. And they are really, really soft. But what I like about these is that they're really soft, but they're not like flimsy. You know how you can get those cheap brushes that barely apply any product because they're so flimsy? These actually are not flimsy at all. And I am using my Sweethearts bronzer in Sweet Tea. I love this. It has like a little bit of sheen in it, but it's not shimmery. I'm using the smallest brush of them all, and I'm just contouring the nose. I'm going to blend it out with this medium brush. I'm using the Maleniumm Luminoso blush with my Wet n Wild brush. And you know what? I'm actually going to set my under eyes using this medium brush that we got, and I'm dipping it into the RCMA powder. I had just applied concealer, but I never set it. I'm going to apply a little bit of this bronzer once again. I'm going to take the darkest shade. Second thing I got in my Boxycharm is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in Amethyst. This is like a pink shimmery shade. It is really pretty. It has like a purple undertone with like blue glitters. It says that you can put it on anywhere, but I really like it as an eyeshadow. They kind of remind me of the ColourPop ones or like the Stila ones. When they dry down, they're not cracky. And then I can take that same dark shade and apply it right underneath my under eye. And now I'm going to apply some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. I'm back, and I actually didn't feel like putting on some falsies today. I just applied the Voluminous Lash Paradise. I barely have lashes, but moving right along, they also sent me this Vintage Cosmetics pencil. It is jet black and it's wooden. I don't know how I feel about that. I personally don't like purchasing wooden pencils just because I don't want to sharpen them, and I feel like they usually smudge. Hopefully this one's better. It's worth $21. Would I purchase a wooden pencil for $21? I wouldn't, but if it doesn't smudge, then maybe. Very smooth and like creamy. I don't have to struggle to make a line. It honestly just glides on, but I didn't get to wear my makeup the entire day yesterday, so I can't tell you how long it lasted. Another thing I got is the Bellapierre Cosmetics Cosmic Glitter in the shade Cosmic Purple. This is worth $15, and it's just glitter. I am not going to apply it because yesterday, when I did, I get it all over my face. Just make sure not to apply this when you already have foundation on because that was a mess. But you can never go wrong with loose glitter. purple. I don't know if I would wear purple unless, I don't know, I was going to some festival or something like that. Last but not least, I got this awesome holographic Naked Cosmetics palette. It has some highlighters inside. They have pink, purple, red, green, blue, and yellow shade. These are not something I would wear on the daily. If you are into this, then you would probably really love it. They are very pigmented. I'll try to show you with some swatches. I wore the yellow one all day at work yesterday and I got compliments. My friend asked me if I was wearing the Rihanna highlight since it's like a yellowish gold. This is what they look like. I'm gonna try going for this pink one today, just because I have the pink shadow. So that is what it looks like. Oh, I'll just do 2 shades. I'm gonna go in for the purple. I'll do some green highlight right here. Oh my goodness, this is poppin'. Red one on my chin. And that was this palette. And then this retails for $39.99. So the total for this month's BoxyCharm is $133.98, which is amazing because we only pay $21. And I would have to say that from this whole box, my favorite thing was the brushes and the Cover FX shimmer veil. These are things that I would normally use. Everything else was not a bad product. There's nothing wrong with it. They're just things I would not reach out and use on the daily. What do you think? Is there anything that you would go out and purchase? Or was this month's box just not worth it? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.